I have a bunch of really beautiful photos of faces, and I love to paint faces, especially when they're handsome young men, as most of these photos are. So this is the image I'm going to be working from today. And this is the tweaked version. This is something I almost always do. I go into Photoshop and use a series of filters to remove detail and make the color areas easier to see. And if you're interested in how I do this, I'll put a link in the description to a video on this channel that tells you exactly how I do that. As I'm painting, I'm going to be working almost exclusively from the tweaked version because it just really makes it a lot easier to paint from. And as you're watching the time-lapse video today, see if you can see how using the tweaked version really streamlines the painting process. I begin, as usual, by transferring the big images onto canvas with pencil, and then I cover the whole thing with an acrylic wash. And while that's drying, I start mixing the colors I'm going to need to get started. And then it's time to paint. The painting is called Lázaro.